Alright, here's Mr. Ralph teaching math. What? Yeah, I love math. Okay, today's lesson's not too bad. We're dealing with multiples of unit fractions. So let's look at this story problem. At a pizza party, each pizza was cut into what? We got 6 equal slices, as you can see here. There's our pizza. At the end of the party, there were 5/6 of the pizza left. Robert put each of the leftover slices in its own freezer bag. How many bags did she use? Okay, so how many bags and what part of the fraction did she put in each bag? So that is what they're asking. Now, so 5/6 of the pizza was left. Not too long ago, back in the past, we did a lesson where we talked about this unit fraction concept up there. What is each unit fraction of 5/6? Well, if we look at 5/6, you would have, if you broke it apart, it'd be 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. 1/6 plus 1/6 5 times, right? Because as we add those, and that is a plus right there, as we add those, our denominator never changes. It's our numerator that we add. So we have to have 5 of those. So how many bags would they have? They would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they would have 5 bags, and how many is in each bag? There's 1/6. So there's 5 pieces of pizza by 1/6. So this is your answer. Okay. Now to look at this a short way, if I had 7/8 and I wanted to write it in the multiples of unit fraction, I know that the unit fraction, sorry, I'm going to erase that. I know that the unit fraction is 1/8. I can break that apart 7 times. So I'm just going to write 7 times 1/8. This lets me know what that number is going to be. I'm going to have 7 1/8. I hope that makes sense. So for instance, if I have 5/3, okay, what is the unit fraction? Well, if I'm to break this apart, I could break that apart. How many times would I have to add this? Whoa. Yeah, I would have to add this 5 times. Okay, so I would have 5, and how many 1/3s? 1/3. If I looked at this 5/3, and I do 5 times 1/3, if I was times that across, I just times straight across here and straight across there. You have 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. So it ends up the same thing as over here. One last one. So if I have 3/4, what's my unit fraction? Well, how many of those? What is the individual unit fraction of that? Good, it's 1/4. How many of them do I have? Yes, I have 3. And we times that together to get us back to there. So that is your answer. This is Mr. Ralph teaching Math 8.1. Join me next time as we learn 8.2. Have a wonderful night.